Hello everyone, here's Jerry, your favorite Polish mad lad. So today we are doing some little video where I talk about routines, and yeah. So I will explain the title of this video. So mainly I want to know if big YouTubers that have a studio where they work and they are sleeping and they have managed I would say a big setup and yeah, the window with the nature, yeah, you see what I meant. The perfect setup, the perfect routine, and etc. And I'm a very skeptic guy about it. I personally don't like routines. I personally think it's a dumb thing to do because you can work all the day, you can work all night, and if you are not tired, you can continue. But I'm doubting about my conviction more and more too. So I want to try during an entire month what is to have a perfect routine. So by perfect routine I mean waking up and going to bed at the same time, going for work for 4 hours, then taking a break for whatever you want, sports, eating, whatever, and then reworking 4 hours just to make sure that you are working at fixed hours. And the perfect routine I meant to have a healthy life routine, so eating correctly, so correct things that are really good for your health, vegetables mainly. So next is about sports. I don't really exercise as a person when I lock down and everything, but I want to try to create a sport and everything routine where I get some more fit. Yeah, and playing to have amusements at correct times, and maybe reading some things, maybe getting some cultural things like listening to Audible and everything. You know all these things, you know. And one of the most important thing is to not look at not doing some multitasking where I work. So when I work mainly, not having a intellectually demanding thing on my left screen, just only music, things like that. So I really like to watch Netflix and etc. And I am I think I'm very productive when I have something like this on my left screen. And yeah, I want to go to the basics simply. Yeah, and I'm skeptic about it because I when I worked at a company as a developer, I was not really liking the strict thing about it. So working time, so going to it, so no, you can't listen to music, you can't do this, you can't do that. I permit myself to listen to music. I permit myself to have some breaks and etc. to simply work correctly at my home, I think. So just to replace my character in it, I currently go to bed at 4-5 a.m. and wake up at 3-4 p.m., maybe 2 p.m. sometimes, not sure. Sometimes it's 2 a.m. And I wake up at 12. It's really random how I doing my things. And this is why I want to try it. This is why I want to try it, because I see these perfect routines on YouTube. I see people that are really enjoying what they're doing, and I start to feel that I'm no more enjoying what I'm doing. So I want to see if that can correct it, and this is why I launched this perfect routine challenge that if you want you can join with me. And I'm pretty sure that if you are doing it with me, I'm sure to finish it at first. And I'm sure maybe some people are in the same place as me, so they don't know, they are not really motivated to do something like this. So yeah, I want to make it real, at least. And you can follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, so link in the description, of course, where I will post every day my feeling about how the day is going, how I feel about it, how my pain about it is real or not, everything like that. And I think it will be a good experience about it. At least to know if I'm correct about routines or not. I know that routines are good for your mind because as a human being, having a strict thing that is repetitive help you to master it, to have to know that everything you do is correct and everything. So pretty much it. I just want to know if the benefits are worth it or not. And yeah, so if you want to join me, you can. I post this video 3 or 4 days before I start it. So I will start it the 1st of February and I will finish it at the 28th of February. In my mind, of course, if it's working and I like it, I will continue to do it. It's not like and I feel that it can become habit, and you know that you only need 21 days. It's to make something as a habit. So I think it will be a good experience with it. And I hope it will help me to go to be more productive. So yeah, don't hesitate to follow me, to check what I'm doing, and to maybe join the challenge with me, for sure. So that's it for this video. I know it's not a very polemic video, I'm not trashing anyone. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Of course, if you watched at the end, remember to code every day, and of course we see you again if you follow me in the next video, where I will be talking about the game loop of our little project Bolt Laurent. Vandalhalla? What's that? It's a game in development by Sandstorm game studio, a young indie game studio which want to start their journey with an online fast FPS game. Vandalhalla will be fast-paced and easy to learn how to master a game. In this game, your equipment will be based on 4 weapons or skills, chosen freely. We call them abilities. They compose your loadout. From rocket launchers to grapplings, including toy guns filled with holy water, your choice is vast. Choices you will make will influence drastically your playstyle. In fact, our game balance is based on an ancient game that is 1000 years old, the famous rock, paper, scissors. Basically, when you are fighting, there will be situations in which you will have facilities to kill some loadout, but your opponents plays the same game as you and they could have bonus damage against you as well. Right now you have 40 different abilities in order to create chaos in your game. Among these 90,000 combinations, I'm sure you will find the one you like. You will be also equipped with a gravity gun, which will allow you to move around the entire map without any difficulty. Your choice of loadout will also change the behavior of your gravity gun. So now, if you want to be the horse and the horseman, you can. But if you prefer to be Neo from Matrix, with a jetpack it's possible. To have fun with all these features, nothing could be simpler than a huge city in which zones will be designated to organize a zone capture game, and at the same time a team deathmatch. Go ahead and vandalize this city, after all you're participating to Vandalhalla, the Vandals Paradise! If you want to help us and see the project evolve and get released, follow us on YouTube, Instagram and Twitter.